Welcome back. Two videos, one day. Imagine that. Happy Halloween for those of you celebrating or watching a video or movie or whatever. I did a little bit of work. I guess I was a busy guy. I imported in some different boss sprites and set them up with some collisions and some reactive shieldy sort of things that will actually pop out if there's life left on it, and then the blue will slowly shrink away. In this case it's blue, it's settable. I set some of these guns here to have different firing rates and whatnot. Different beam thicknesses here, as you can see. The ones without the beam shoot plasma balls. Yeah, so have the big dreadnought size here, so you can see these were the original guns from the level. Let's put everything in normal size. So this big dreadnought has a huge gun, and some of them have really silly, epically fast fire rates. So if you're not careful, you can actually die now. This one here, the amber one, is still fixed using what will be the building mode. But these guys here, they're actually live. They're actually in the list as bosses. So yeah, the other thing, I decided to give the player a fighting chance and loaded the player ship up with some of the optional turrets. So this would be like you'd pick it up like a power-up. There's a couple things I have planned to go along with that, but we'll wait and see if I can get there. So let's have a look at it running, because it's really what it's all about. I still haven't figured out why OBS goes black for a split second, like right now, why you're seeing it black, but I gotta be careful. The mini guns, if you see the little guns on me and them, will go nuts, just like shooting crazily and take it out. They're seeking me. I'm going to try and fly around and blow up some of the stuff on the map. My guns are set to have such a fast fire rate that they're going to wipe out most of the stuff before I see them. They do have a cooldown, but with not much else on the go, they can take out single turrets like it was nothing. But these big guys, that's a whole other thing. Yeah, I need to be keeping my distance, because if you'll see, my green bar here goes down pretty quick when I'm near them. Yeah, those guns will also shoot missiles. I could be shooting at them too, but that's the big dreadnought there. There's some visual errors. I need to recut his sprite. Like, there's stuff that shouldn't be there. But yeah. Sneak. Oh, somebody down there is still shooting missiles at me. Oh, we got the dreadnought. I'll go wipe out that turret. I think we'll just run around right quick. Let's see if we killed up whatever that was. We wiped him out. I think for the winning state, I'll make it so that there are some things that the little built-in turrets here. That orange one in the middle, he's tracking something. You see, they're all tracking it. So if I got close and they were powered up, so yeah, wiped it out. The ridiculously big orange turret in the middle is what's wiping out these turrets in like 1 or 2 shots. That's the gun that gave us a fighting chance against that big dreadnought. Without it, I would be I'd almost, what was it? I'd be min-maxing my distance and darting around trying not to get killed by that dreadnought. So I think what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to do a quick look around for that, and then I will that'll go black for a second on you guys, unfortunately. Just curiosity, if I restart it, does it go black again? Yeah, it does go black. I'm going to try and run away from the stuff. Okay, so the lasers on this little guy are so powerful, it'll wipe out one of these little cruiser, like Corvette type things like it was nothing. See? The little guns automatically try and kill incoming missiles first. They have a higher priority than other things. But they do target individually, so the one on one side of your ship will shoot stuff that it's closer to than the ones on the other side. The bad guys, the further are you away from them, the faster they're allowed to move towards you. Yeah, Yeah, the turning rate is a bit too high, I'd think, for some of them. Like, I should have changed their speeds and whatnot. The little guy's speed should be faster than the big dreadnought. But if you see all the little, I don't know if you can see, but all the guns on all of them are alive and actively trying to nail me. And if you look at my little guy, his guns are actively trying to kill them. Yeah, and I can still pew pew if I want from out here. I can still fire. Oh, took that one out the old way. I could still take him out. I don't think we're going to get a chance to see me lower his shields manually here. When he oh, there you go. See them going down? Boom. One more, and he's gone. Every hit lower, when their life gets low enough, every hit will slowly bring in the shader that does the shields. So, yep, boom. So, yeah. So, I mean, depending on how I put this out, I mean, it could be reskinned to be Star Trek, and those could be phasers and whatever. But we'll see what I end up getting to. And of course, buildings would be fixed like this. Anyhow, that's our second update for today. Little treat, I guess. I got a bit more than I thought I would get done. And if you like this stuff, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.